All right, I am here to show you the ins and outs of the Congressional Debate ballot. So here I am on Tabroom.com. I'm going to start off by going to my dashboard by clicking on my email right up here. And you can see that I have been assigned a congressional session here. Clicking this link will take me to my ballot, which looks like this. There are two different pages here to the ballot. You've got your speeches page and you've got your rankings page. The speeches page is where you allocate per speech points. You do this by selecting your drop down, going to the appropriate entry. Yours will have names. I just have test entries, so they are labeled as test entries. Put the topic of the bill here, whether or not the speaker was for the bill or against the bill, and then some comments in here. Great job. And then you're going to rate this on a 1 through 8 scale, 8 being at the top of the scale. This is a little bit different for Nat Fall specifically. If you use the 1 through 8 scale, you may be used to a 1 through 6 scale. You can just kind of adjust that a little bit. Then, once I've got my comments in there, I'm going to hit save. And that's going to save it, and it's going to give me the option to add another speech up here. Now, what you're going to want to remember is to go to the appropriate entry for each one of your speeches, so that you're not just giving all of the speeches to the same student. Then, once the round is coming to an end, you're going to jump over to this rankings page. This has every speaker in it. It'll keep your speech points, keep track of the speech points for you. You can see here, entry number 3, I gave them 8 points. It keeps track of that. And then you can rank them. You do not necessarily have to rank them in accordance with how many speech points they earned or their average, but some people like to see that as a starting point. So you're just going to rank your competitors 1 through 9. And you can leave any blanks once you get to 9. So I'm going to go 1, 2, I don't want any duplicates, 5, 6, 7, 8. And everyone else ties for 9. I'll hit my submit ballot here, and it'll take me to this confirmation page where it has my rankings over here, has my entries over here, and then I'm just going to click right here to confirm it. And that's how you will fill out a Congress ballot on Tabroom.com.